Hello, everyone. We have finally come to the end of Saga Zero program on Metaverse HQ. This is week 8. Like I told you, this is the last week, and the Metaverse HQ airdrop is coming soon. The exchanges are already announcing listing for 27th of January 2025. So you have until 24th to complete all tasks. Remember, last week on the week 7, we started connecting our wallet for the airdrop. And so you have until 24th to complete this process. If you have not connected your wallet yet, please do so. By the way, connection of wallet will be one of the objectives for week 8 too. So I believe if you have been active, if you've been following my channel, if you've been watching my tutorials, you should you should be done with it now. Okay? So let's go to our activity for the day. So you like a tweet, you retweet, you reply. So sex listing, this announcement contains details for the sex listing, which is coming on 27th. I think KuCoin has already announced listing on 27th. So, like I used to say, always make a nice comment. Say, what a good time to be alive. Yay! The HQ airdrop is here. Now let's go back and verify the reply. Now let me just head to this, and I've already submitted my wallet earlier for the HQ TGE. So I'll just verify submission of wallet. Then I'll move to complete this Gigaverse whitelist mission. This Gigaverse whitelist mission, would I say, is a bit um extensive. I will use that word because you would need to mint your raffle ticket after completing the task. You need to mint your raffle ticket. So watch me as I do. So just follow, like a tweet, retweet a tweet, retweet a tweet, reply a tweet. So let me go back to this again. Reply. Thanks for this opportunity. Send. You verify your reply. Now you join their Discord group, their Discord channel. Now to participate in the raffle ticket, you will need ETH on base. That's 0.009, let's say 0.001. That's roughly 3 point that's roughly 3.5 US 3.5 dollar of ETH. So you need to mint your raffle ticket. So I'm minting here. Okay, now let me verify my membership. Please select the grapes. Yeah, verified successfully. Yeah, so I head back to this tax section and verify my membership. My membership is verified. Then I head to mint my Gigaverse whitelist raffle ticket. Okay. Okay. I've minted my raffle ticket, and so I've completed the objectives. 10 over 10. You can see they have completed the objectives. Now I go back here and verify completion here. Oh, sorry, I missed something. I missed something, so I'm going to set it right now. Now I will need to paste my address here to register for this whitelist. It is not enough that you have minted the raffle ticket. You need to register your wallet. So I've just paste my wallet here. Now register. I've completed this nomination. I've entered the whitelist raffle. So I move ahead to here to verify completion. It's complete now. So I have completed the Saga Zero event. Everything about Saga Zero. We started from week 3 and this is week 8. Why we started from week 3 was I missed week 1 and 2. So we started from week 3. And for the past 5 weeks, we have been dealing with these tutorials, and today marks the end of it. So we'll do a brief recap now to make sure that we are all on the same page. So remember to check this airdrop section here. Check it to know if your wallet is connected, is confirmed. You see, my wallet is confirmed. So what you have to do now is to relax and wait for update on claiming process and the rest of them. So even if you are joining us in this week, if your first time of interacting is week 8. Just so you know, you need to mint, you need 3.5, around $3.5 ETH on base network to mint the Saga Zero pass, which will qualify you to participate in any available tax. Then after that, you will need another $3.5 ETH on base to mint week 8 raffle ticket. So you will need this for minting raffle tickets. So in the previous video, I think in week 4 video I made, you may see activities on Unichain Sepolia, the Unichain Sepolia farm in volume 1. If you need Unichain Sepolia, please head to that week 4 video and paste your address. I will fund you with Unichain Sepolia that you can use to interact to do the tax. Thank you and see you in the next video. Please kindly like this video if it was helpful and subscribe.